Everyone is asking the same question right now. How do you get the new Esign on iOS? And if you search the App Store, you already notice something strange. It's not there. So what's really going on? Here's the truth most videos won't tell you upfront. There is no official Esign app available on the Apple App Store right now. Apple simply does not allow the type of apps to be published officially. That's why you keep seeing people claim they installed the new Esign iPhone app, but they never show the full process. The only way people are getting the new Esign is through an IPA file, which is not an official Apple approved method. That means it doesn't come from the App Store. It isn't endorsed by Apple, and it can stop working at any time. Because of that, I'm not going to show the installation steps or files here. You should know the risks first. Apps installed this way can be revoked, expire, or fail after iOS updates. So if you're waiting for a safe official release, it doesn't exist right now. If that changes, you'll definitely hear about it here first. Until then, be careful what you trust. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.